Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technical. I'm your host Martin. In this episode, we're going to be talking about will crypto hold? Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us in the Discord. Links will be going out here in a second, and they will be pinned on YouTube. Thank you for coming in, guys. Dude, someone followed here on Twitch. Thank you very much for that awesome follow, man. Let's get this rolling. What's happening with crypto, guys? No stream yesterday. Remember I told you. I said 2 days ago, there might not be a stream. There was no stream yesterday. Why? Why was there no stream yesterday? Well, market didn't do anything, right? We didn't do much. We didn't do much yesterday. Today, we started to pump more. But we're going to start looking at the market, and let's get onto that market cap and see what was happening. Oh, geez, man. Awesome. Yo, thank you very much for that, Madison.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
So let's get this going. So who's in the house? Jeff Loomis, what's up? Oh, is you fever? Happy Friday happy hour? Yep. The Mono Me? Why? Let's go. Hell, and let's keep rolling. That's it. That's a comment so far. Thank you all for joining me. Thank you for being here, guys. Cheers, by the way. Hope you're enjoying your night. Jake says, looking eyes. Why is the looking eyes? Rockets, awesome. So on this note, let's move on to the screen where the magic happens. And let's get looking at market cap. So, what's happening with market cap? Look at that. Yesterday, we were outside. Mouse is getting stuck. Here we go. We're outside the zone. Had that bearish divergence. Came back down, retested. Managed to push back up. Very nice. A lot of pullback, though, right? While we're pulling back, well, we're still below. I'm just going to re-anchor. Oh, damn. Mouse don't want to play ball. There we go. So, I'm anchoring hit point here, where we had there in the middle. As you can tell, we've just been rejecting back onto this line. So the old support line is becoming a resistance as we are struggling to get above that zone. Now, we did struggle the last 3 days right now. Moving down a bit. It's going to be Saturday. We do know that volume tends to drop for trading on the weekends. Hopefully, that's not going to be the case. We might get mighty pumps. If we don't, it'll be okay. Can we really complain at where we're at right now with crypto? I mean, it's been performing beautifully. So, anyways. What do we have right now? Well, we pumped yesterday still, or today, technical today, right? Markets yesterday. But look at that. Now, like I said, we're starting to create that negative momentum, and it's the bar of negative momentum yesterday, or today. And already for tomorrow, we're starting to build positive momentum. So positive momentum, but less positive momentum. I said negative momentum, I think. We're making less positive momentum, right? So, with that, we have strong bearish divergence and the potential for action to the downside. Where could we go? Well, this upper limit has held support not once, but twice in a row. So it could be that we have support here at $2.15 trillion. That said, let's go and check Bitcoin. Bitcoin losing dominance at 41.41. Lost dominance today, 0.89. Today going up a little bit. It was slightly red a second ago, but now 0.01%. Not too much, 41.45% of market cap. So, on that note, let's go check out the price of Bitcoin. Where did we close the futures? That's going to be important. We closed the futures at 50,710. Current price of Bitcoin, 49,851. Why is that important? Because that's going to determine where we want to go. It's going to determine where we want to go, right? What do you mean, Martin? What do you mean? It's going to determine where we want to go. Well, it's going to be key. Monday, if we open below the $50,000 mark, we're going to leave a gap to the upside, and we might be looking to run to close that gap. So, important gap to look at. Hopefully, I'd be kidding. What's up? Thank you very much for being here, man. Also, thank you for the nice gift you left me on the Minecraft server. Appreciate it. Bitcoin Jake's Minecraft server, where a couple of us guys play there. Anyways, it's a crypto fam SMP, so it's pretty cool. A lot of creators play there. Epic Eden also streams. He has a Twitch channel. Alex also streams. He also has a Twitch channel. A lot of people play there. It's pretty cool. Anyways, what is happening with the corn? We got above 49,691. Finally broke above and held above it. We beautifully even got almost to the next resistance, 51,250. We closed. We got so close, 51,046, right? It's $200 off, but it's a $54,000 target. It's peanuts. We were almost there. Now, what's important is that we did pull back down, but we're still above 49,691. We do want to hold this area. If we manage to close here, we still managed to close here on Sunday. There's a bigger chance or a better chance that we might try to bounce and overtake 51,250. Other than that, not really sure, man. It's not looking strong. You don't Twitch? Oh, I thought you had a Twitch, bro. I thought you had a Twitch because you joined me on Twitch the other day. He has a YouTube channel. Epic Eden has a YouTube channel, apparently. So he has a YouTube channel where he does tutorials and plays Minecraft, and that's pretty cool. I think that's the story, right, Eden? Anyways, let's keep rolling because you got to keep on moving, right? What do we have, though? Look at that. We're still going higher, right? We were going higher here. Bearish divergence broke us down. So today we pumped. Look at this. Strong bearish divergence is still there. YouTube, awesome, dude. I thought you had a Twitch. That's pretty cool, though. Cheers, guys, by the way. Dude, it's so hot in here. It's been raining all day, and it feels like super humid. And by the way, reason I was late today. Brother's in town. And I took advantage of his generosity and basically say, yo, babysit the kids for like a couple hours so I could, go on a date with the wife. So we ended up going to the movies, which was pretty cool. We haven't been out as a couple in a long time. That was pretty cool, though, to be able to go out and enjoy time together without the kids for a little bit throughout the whole pandemic. So there's been very few moments that we've been able to go out. So this is one of them. Pretty cool. Watch Free Guy. It was okay. Isn't that bad? Anyways, let's keep rolling here. Bought at 61.652, right? That's for Bitcoin. Again, down on bearish divergence. We did pull back down from a higher area, hitting the upper part of the Bollinger Bands. Not the end of the world. Now, where I'm expecting maybe to see and hit this area, 49,609. We already worked it once. I'm hoping that we hold here, man. It would be very beneficial. If we drop, I mean, it'll be like a fake breakout. We'll be back in this channel, and it kind of sucks. Where the money is welcome. What's up, man? Kato, what movie did I see? Free Guy with Ryan Reynolds. Mr. Kennedy, what's up, my friend? Thank you very much for being here. That's why I'm all dressed up, man, because, yeah, date with the wife. Pretty cool. And it's really, really hot. So I'm going to roll up my sleeves here a bit. Gross. Let's get rolling. Let's go to the 4-hour chart here for the corn. On the 4-hour, look, we're going higher. We're coming lower. Right? Strong bearish divergence. Potential fraction of downside. So we were warned about a potential moving down here. After we rejected that higher area, we're probably not even getting close to we're going to be making bearish divergence here. But now we have it. Now we have it against the MACD and the RSI. So with that possibility for action to the downside, we didn't have anything here, right? On that move up was beautiful. So another cross of the MACD and the signal line, right? We didn't talk about that one. When did that one happen? I'm not even sure when this one happened. On the 1st, so 2 days ago. Right, remember we looked for this crosses. I've talked about them before. I just didn't spot this one. My bad. Fresh. Yeah, well, we just came back, man. I just came back and basically got in front of the computer. It's your little prince's birthday. Oh, it's awesome, bro. That is amazing, man. It's really, really cool. Enjoy those moments. It's a lot of fun. It is. So we're going up higher here, right? Negative momentum, low, higher high. Nothing here that is bullish, just neutral at 58.49, pointing down a bit, right? I'm not even sure. I think we're going to do... Soka, you want to come in here? Are we going to do a Soka reveal tonight? Soka! I'm not sure if he wants to come in. Anyways, dude. Hell yeah, you're going to say hi, you're not going to come in? Alright. You're watching the stream live? No. I know. Anyways, we are we're neutral, 58.49. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Low to high, high to low, right? There is strong bearish divergence here as well. And we had the potential for action to the downside. Again, we were not here yesterday to look out for this. This didn't even happen when we were yesterday. We would have had this divergence here, right? I think Soka's shy. He doesn't want to come over. Yo, Team Peak, what's up, man? And bearish divergence, right? Potential fraction of downside against the MACD and the RSI. So there's a lot of bearish divergence in the market, right? Against the MACD, the RSI. Bitcoin the 1-hour, bearish divergence strong. Bitcoin the 4-hour, strong bearish divergence. Bitcoin on the daily, oh man, strong bearish divergence as well. What? The market looks, or at least is telling us that it wants to move down. Just listen. Be careful. The market sometimes doesn't want to make up its mind, and then it just reverses because it's irrational. And an irrational market can stay. The market can stay rational a lot longer. You can stay solvent. I'll just say that. So markets do tend to be irrational. We know we're bullish. We're pumping up. We do have bearish divergence strong. There is a chance that we might start to break down, right? And now that we talk about this, it's starting to look like what this was looking like back then, right? Look at this, bearish divergence, pump, bearish divergence, pump, bearish divergence, drop, and then hidden, right? So look at the curve, right? 1, 2, 3 bearish divergences. So look at this, 1, 2, 3 bearish divergences. Could we be doing a fractal? It's just a question, right? I'm not saying it's the same Wyckoff accumulation or Wyckoff distribution, but I'm saying we could be doing a fractal.
Cheers. And props to whoever is posting the priceless art on the Discord. Hilarious, Rocket.
Oh snap, that must be Mr. Flags, I think. I'm not sure. I'm gonna guess it's Mr. Flags. Oh yeah. Mr. Flags drawing me as the Mona Lisa. All right, I get why the comment. Oh, me as Albert Einstein. All right, cool. I get it. I even put me as Pennywise and the Joker. Ooh. Crazy. Mr. False Flags. Thank you very much for posting those arts. Anyway, we are going down and hitting support, right? We do know that. So again, a lot of bearishness. I'm worried about this, right? Large move, smaller move, similar, right? Similar. Look at that. Boom, retrace, bounce, pop, boom, right? This one, boom, retrace, pop, pop, all right? Drop, pop, drop, pop. I'm going slightly higher. So again, watch out, right? Potential fractal. Run for war. What's up, dude? Tells you fever, dude. Sorry I didn't do this.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome. Thank you very much for that. I went over to look at the art. I was wondering who it was. I guess right. It was Flags. Anyways, that is it here. Let's go and check out Ethereum and see what's happening in there. $3,936. What? Look at this. We were looking for bearish divergence. Guess what? We still have it from the higher point. It's still there. Hasn't triggered yet, though. Strong bearish divergence. Potential for action to the downside. Ethereum yesterday champs. 4.02%. It was doing so good. It got about 4K, man. I was super happy. I was just sad that we were unable to hold. Right now, going down a bit. Not a lot. 3,936. Neutral. Overbought at 73.49. So not a lot happening there. Waiting for it to decide whether or not it wants to drop. Again, strong bearish divergence in the 4 hour. We have strong bearish on the daily, strong bearish on the 4 hour. My guess, and seeing what Bitcoin did, is that we could have also strong bearish here on the 1 hour chart. And if we do, I would be looking for a potential market movement to the downside, right? Be careful. Neutral at 47. Sorry, overbought at 74.99. Where did I see 47? Am I dyslexic or something? Am I seeing the numbers backwards? Am I dyslexic? By the way, guys, did y'all see that Reese Witherspoon's bought Ethereum? Ain't that crazy? She said, I bought my first Ethereum on Twitter. So could this be the Reese Witherspoon effect that we're seeing here with the Ethereum pump when the rest of the market was going down? But I have that tweet up here, by the way. She said, on the 2nd, just bought my first Ethereum. Let's do this, crypto creator. She doesn't know how toxic this community is, obviously. I want to see when she runs away. There's all the crazies that are here in the cryptosphere going like, no, you should buy this. No, you should buy that. Everyone's so hostile sometimes. Low, lower low. Negative. Less negative. Wait until the crypto Bitcoin maxis come out and start, like, you know, bugging her. Anyways, hidden bullish pump, strong bearish. Moving us down. We held a 20. Now we're losing it. Not liking where we're at right now. Bought at 55.17. That is it for Ethereum, man. That is it for Ethereum here. Soka. Come in. Yeah. Soka's gonna walk in to the shot, I think. You're still not in camera. There you go. That's Soka, by the way, guys. He's in here. He's been chilling.
How is the crypto going?
It's doing okay, man. It's doing okay.
Right.
It's holding. Yo.
Hello.
Yeah, I think they can hear you. How are they saying what? Yeah, that's Soka. So it's holding, man. Look, Ethereum's trying to overtake it again. 3,931. So we're gonna see if we can get above 4K, man. We're below a 20 moving average, so not the best. Desde contento. Yeah, bro. Of course, my brother's here with me, man. That's so awesome, right? He's leaving tomorrow though, so he's been here since Tuesday. When you get in here? Tuesday. So that's why the streams have been short. Yeah, smash some likes for Soka. Right? Yeah, it's cool, man. He's my brother, man. My better half's the wife. Oh man, let's keep rolling, man. First, Stripes gang, yeah. Oh yeah, we're wearing stripes, right? Opposite stripes though. His stripes look like he just came out of jail. Mine just look like, you know, I'm playing baseball or something. I'm not sure, man. Anyways, let's keep rolling. That's the theory here in the 1 hour, right? There's nothing bullish going on here, man. I really wish we had something bullish for action to the upside, man. Much honor to Soka, yeah. Look good. Soka wants to see ADA so bad, man, because he wants to see ADA above $3. So I'm gonna skip Binance real quick. Nah, ADA's at 293, man. It's all good. Look, ADA outside of its trading range, right? Does my bro do crypto too? Yeah, he holds crypto.
We got some ADA.
I know ADA was the last one on the list. I'm gonna shift it because Soka's here and he was asking about ADA earlier. So I'm just gonna put this one here. ADA conference was about $7 by September. Oh, I doubt that.
Wow.
That's gonna be a lot. And local.
Ooh.
Wants a shout out.
What's up? Iswa.
Yeah, you say that first name because we don't know what that is. We went in trouble, man.
I should say the second half.
Anyways, though, we're outside of this range. We're moving down a bit. Still holding support. Look at that resistance at the 1618, right? We broke it, came back down. We still have strong bearish divergence, so potential for action to downside. We are not anchoring where what I want to anchor, right? A positive momentum island. So chances that we make now more negative momentum are still there because we're still increasing that negative momentum, right? Think a little more drop before up. Maybe, man, maybe. It looks like it could go down a bit, right? So long as we stay above this rectangle, it's fine. If we come back into this rectangle, then yeah. 20 moving average in the bottom of the rectangle could be a support. What? All right.
Better dead.
Yeah. You want to see what my view looks like? All right, you can take a picture over the shoulder, I guess.
Point of view poster. Okay.
All right. Yeah, you
I
can
gotta
do
get my
that.
cell phone.
Yeah, go get it.
I'll get back.
That's all good. Yeah, he's gonna take a picture, man. He's gonna bring it in. Wholesome crypto TA. All right, man. All right, let's keep rolling. Let's keep rolling. I want to take advantage that Sogo went out real quick, so I can keep on moving the stream. Bought at 67.29, still pointing down a bit. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, look, bearish divergence. We're looking for that strong bearish divergence. Do we keep it there? That's a question. 0.2, 0.25. 0.252, 0.257, still slightly less. Bearish divergence, potential fraction downside, moving down on that. Hitting that 20, holding support in the 4-hour. So the fact that we're holding support is good. Someone asked about that, so you need to mute that, bro, because I'm gonna get feedback. Feedback loop. It's all good. I think the noise gate's gonna cancel it, but if I'm talking, I think it's gonna get feedback. He was watching the stream. Yeah, it's awesome, bro. Anyways, we are coming down here, man. Look, low, lower low, negative, less, negative. Are we going lower right now? Now we're pumping up a bit. So low to high, negative, less, negative, low to high. There's nothing bullish, but if this drops to 20, we are gonna get we're gonna get some support there, right?
To the
At least
crypto
with some
brothers,
bullshit.
clinking beer mugs, red, rocket,
That's awesome. Thank you very much for that, Madison. That's much
Audience, say it
appreciated.
with me.
Legendary. That is
Legendary.
awesome.
Thank you very much.
I think Sub is gonna snap that picture here in a second. Anyways, we are holding, right? We are holding that area support, which is good. We want to hold at 20, but we want to create some bullish divergence for us to pump. Neutral at 52.39. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour, look at this: high to low, positive, less positive, high to low. Nothing bearish. Do we have something bullish? Nope. Low to high, negative, less negative. Dude, here, hidden bullish, hidden bullish. Hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Are you snapping the pick? It's all good. He's gonna snap another pick. It's giving me shit here on the side. Yeah, there we go, man. Hidden bullish, right? Potential. Fraction to the upside. We're starting to get that green candle coming in. We'll see how this works, man. Give me 1 second. He's gonna send a picture right now. From somewhere. Oh, he's gonna. That's fine. Anyways, let's keep rolling here. That's it for ADA. So we did data. Let's go and check out Binance and then keep on moving with the show, right? So I skip Binance. I skip the Binance. Binance, $489. Right, so that's what the Binance is doing. It seems it's stagnating though, right? Stagnation, right? Hidden divergence, pumping a bit on that. High to low, positive. Nothing happening here. Neutral at 62.76. Bought, but again, since the hidden divergence, we held at 20 and we're moving sideways a bit. So like I said, probably called for that on last day we were here 2 days ago, right? Look at this. Bullish divergence, strong, getting that action to the upside. Very nice. High to low, positive, less positive, high to low. There's really nothing bearish here, right? We might be getting some pressure from the 1 hour chart and we're moving sideways. Maybe the daily divergence that we had could be also putting pressure here. So we are bought. No, yeah, we're neutral, 55.22, but we're still above that 20 moving average, which is good. So let's move on to the 1 hour chart. You posted already?
No.
Oh. High to low, positive, less positive, and high to low, right? Low to high. Here we had the bearish divergence, breaking us down, pumping a bit, great. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. There's nothing here that is bullish. We're neutral at 50.37. That's it. That is it here, man. So not a lot happening on Binance. Doesn't have any divergences, right? It's just moving sideways, consolidating. We could break either way. Oh, there's the setup, yeah. Ah, awesome.
I bring freedom.
You bring Seamus. You bring freedom to Seamus, traitor. That treacherous leprechaun. You just go with whoever's the drunkest. That's it. Right, let's keep rolling. We're gonna do BCH. Bitcoin Cash. That one was requested yesterday, but we didn't do a stream yesterday, so we're gonna do it right now. Bitcoin Cash to $1. Thanks, I appreciate it. That's the war room. And yep, that's a lot of stuff around though. Yeah, I have some ghetto lighting on the top to light the background. I just noticed that was in the picture. Yeah, I made some spotlights. I want to buy better lighting, but the room is too small, and I need to figure out how I'm gonna put more lighting in.
It's the job done, man.
I know it gets the job done. It's good though. The rest of the lights are good. I have some LED lights. I have some other lamps in the back, but just those two are like spotlights that I made, and then I had to put something to cover them. So that's all good. It works for now. Anyways, we're good. Bought at 58.89 here on BCH. So there's really not a lot happening here. Low to high. Everything here is good, right? Look, going higher, higher, and higher, right? So less negative also. Higher on the RSI. So neutral at 58.89. Not a lot here that is bearish. The only thing I could potentially say is that we're moving sideways here by the looks of this. Yeah, it looks like sideways motion. That's what I'm going to give it here. On the price. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, yo, we're coming from high to low. And we could say that there's medium bearish divergence for potential action to downside, and that's what I'm going with. Let's look at that 4 hour chart. We're going to move backwards here, by the way. On the 4 hour, we're coming up higher. And then look at this, high to low, bearish divergence, strong. So reason for moving down, here it is. Hello there, man, moving down. All right, look at this. All right, strong bearish. Potential action downside, starting to move down. Add rejection. Where? Critical area. We seem to be hitting a fib. I'm going to zoom out on the daily and see what fib we're hitting. Sounds like ice water. Low to high, high to low, right? Bearish divergence. Strong here also. So with that, strong bearish divergence once again. Right, a lot of bearish divergence in the market. That's what I'm saying. Be careful, guys. There's a lot of bearish divergence out there. Could be a signal that the market is looking to cool off, and that cool off could be a movement to the downside. Just be careful, right? Last thing we had here, hit bullish, pumping on that. But look at this, right? We are rejecting this larger fib node here, and that looks as 3 to 2 from the larger fibs, right? The shorter fibs, we are getting above 236, but still below the 3 to 2. So we need to get above that as well. So let's go and check. What are we gonna check? BCH XLM. Okay, what are you doing? Kato says, I know Kung Fu. Bro, that's crazy. Yeah, it looks like that, right? Yeah. That's what it feels like for sure, man. And everything gets used here on the screen.
Nice.
Wear my heels, I don't wear heels. What the hell? That's it for Bitcoin Cash. Let's say we said XLM, so let's go check out XLM. I think Madison requested this one. She usually requests XLM. 37.69 on the daily. Low to high. Right on. I'm not gonna give you anything here because this is positive momentum. So we don't have anything. We're still bouncing. We're getting above 382. That's fine. Above the 20 moving average. Not too bad. 37.80. Bought at 60.23. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. I'm gonna wait here on Stellar in the 4 hour. Look at this. Do y'all get any like questions for Soka while he's here? He's
What
been.
I sold at 50 cents.
You sold this one at 50 cents?
Yeah.
I know. Soka sold his XLM at 50 cents. He didn't buy back. What do you buy with it? You bought something else.
ADA probably.
Oh, you bought ADA? So you're doing better probably. Bought at 65.97. Right, strong bearish divergence, potential fractional downside, move down. Now we're recovering the previous candle. If we do manage to gain that candle, it's gonna be a bullish engulfing candle. That's gonna tell us that this should be moving much higher. Has anyone talked to May today? I'm not sure. I think it was in the Discord. I'm not sure.
I think it was something with this.
Or that was yesterday, I think. I'm not sure. I think I saw May. I'm not sure. Yeah, he says that he's on his cell phone, so. I asked him if we were going to do a game today. He didn't say it, so. Iswell says he made $1.60 in only 26 minutes. Stop that. That's awesome. Congrats to you, my friend. There you go. I'll give you one up for that. $1.62. Let's keep rolling here. Anyways, bearish divergence, action downside bought at 64.96. That is it. Again, potential action downside. If we do overtake this red candle on this 4 hour candle, again, bullish engulfing, that'll be very, very beneficial. That'll tell us that we want to go up. Look at this low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. So there's nothing bullish here. We're just bouncing out at 20. Wish we had something here to like cling to and say, yo, there's bullish divergence for this rally, but there isn't. Do we have anything bearish? Low to high. Look at this. Still coming up higher. And here on this last bit, there's some strong bearish divergence against the RSI, and I think that's what's getting us to stumble. That's where we get that stumble to go to the 20 moving average because of this hidden, not hidden, this strong bearish divergence here against the RSI, right? There we go. Bought at 61.73. That's it for XLM. Let's go to Rev.
Cali Crop Doctors. Happy Friday, my friend. At State of Crypto, Adam.
Yo, let's put Adam on the list. What's up, Cali Crop? Cali Crop Doc. My friend from... I'm not sure where you're from. I'm going to say Cali.
That was me.
River Forest is dot, please. Sure, man. We'll put that dot in the list. I think we've looked at Rev before, so I just got to do this USD. We haven't looked at Rev before. What? This is crazy. All right, so we're going to go with this one, and then Adam, and then we'll put dot there on the list. There we are. Let's keep rolling. It's good, man. I'm glad that I changed the lens, because now we can both be focused. Otherwise, we would have been blurry AF, bro.
That's right. I might get a beer.
Yeah, we'll get a beer. Soka's gonna grab a beer. I'm still drinking whiskey, so we're good. Yeah, no. Locum, I think you might be from, I'm not sure. Somewhere. Sounds like locked up or something. I'm kidding. Or crazy. I'm one of those. Let's check this, man. There is. Ooh. I just feel my this capacity just told me stop recording the stream. That's sad. I'm gonna have to empty videos. archive is gonna go bye-bye. Overbought at 85.65 with strong bearish divergence on Ravian. There could be a potential fraction of downside here, right? Just because we've gone so high so fast, there's strong bearish divergence, overbought, bearish divergence while being highly overbought. Remember, on a bull market, bearish indicators fail to play out, and this is one of those cases that you have to watch out for that, right? Thank you very much, Madison, for being here. Let's keep this. Let's play Royal. See, where is it? Royal Blot. Here we go. So it's at those areas that if it drops, it could go down really fast on a pullback. Just be careful, control risk on this asset, right? Let's go on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, coming up higher. 0072, 0067, right? So look low to high. And we're coming from a high point to a low point. Oh no! Bearish divergence strong. Again, remember a lot of projects have this. You're cheering. Oh, I thought you were cheering Seamus there, man. Overbought at 77.81. So on that note, have strong bearish divergence also against the RSI while being overbought, potential fraction of downside. That's twice we have it, 4-hour and daily. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Strong bearish divergence also. Again, a lot of projects have strong bearish divergence. Be careful. Just because we have it doesn't mean we have to drop right now, right? It just means there is a possibility for action to downside. All I'm saying is just be careful in case we do start a tank. Careful. Strong bearish divergence on the 4-hour, the daily, and the 1-hour. Bought at 65.22. That is it for Rev. Let's go check out the Atom. Where's Atom, bro? Yeah, went over it. Atom at 24.08. What's that? Lionel, what's up, my friend? I know, he's Casper. I haven't seen you in a while, dude. I was actually telling Soka that I haven't seen you in a long time. I'm glad to see you here, man. I hope you're doing okay. I hope they, I know they already changed your shift there at McDonald's. Where was it we said you worked at? Jack in the Box, McDonald's? I can't remember. We were joking. We said Lionel works at McDonald's. That he was working so late. Check out. Yeah, he's drinking also. He's Seamus.
La primera.
Jack in the Box. Welcome to Jack in the Box. How may I help you? That's George Lopez, by the way, guys. Jeez, get some comedy. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. There's really not a lot happening here on Cosmos. We're just consolidating above the 236. So again, on the 4-hour, on the 1-hour, I just said be careful. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, see what we have here. Again, consolidation happening. Right, sideways motion coming down the price, medium bearish. If I'm a member, oh bro, I hope they get better, man. I really do hope they get better, man. I'm gonna be keeping your family members in my prayers. All right, and chin up, my friend. Life keeps on moving, right? And yeah, it's tough, but life goes on, my friend. Yeah, life goes on, my friend. And this is a show. Some people leave early, some people leave late. But everyone ends up leaving the station at some point in time. Sometimes we don't want to, but not a lot we can do, man. And sometimes it's out of our hands. So I hope your family member does get better, man. Or at least that is not painful and goes easy. Neutral 53.91. Let's go to the daily here, man. Low to high. High to low, right? We did overtake again. I did 36, almost at the previous 100% high. But Cosmos is not doing bad. A lot of cryptos recovering good, while Bitcoin was stagnating, like we've been saying, right? But within its range, a lot of projects moved, and that was pretty good. We're bought at a 68.25. On that note, that is it for Adam, my friends. Bearish divergence on the daily. Move down, holding support at 236. Is looking good here because we held support for the last 3 days. Or last 2 days and today still. So looking okay at that 236. 4-hour chart again. Look at that, beautiful, with hidden divergence, potential for a bounce, or maybe stagnation still. And on the 1 hour chart, we don't have anything, right? We're still waiting for stuff to develop. We did create some bullish divergence here that was strong. Again, this already happened a couple hours ago, so I would not be banking a lot of plays from this. You might argue that we even have an inverse head and shoulders, and it could be, I mean, it would be tiny, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder, looking for a break. I mean, not even well-defined neckline, so I'm not liking this head and shoulder, right? She was tradable. We will now. It's gonna show up here in a second. It's what? Which one?
Second last.
Loving it.
Ethan, thank you very much for that. Much appreciated.
Nice.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you
That
very
is
much.
awesome. Thank you very much, man. Cheers.
Seamus, cheers.
And then Lionel, for some reason, why your comments didn't come through, man, but I read it here. Burn for War said something, I'm not sure what he said. Not come out yet. Legendary. Yes, it is legendary, my friend.
Audience,
We'll do
say
that
it
one
with
again.
me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
Even Soka joined in on
I
that.
didn't even know when to say it. I just said it.
It's a blast, dude. We've been playing a lot of, not video games, we've been playing a lot of tabletop games the last couple nights. It's a lot of fun. And yesterday we had dinner with friends, so it's also fun. Yo, Bernardo, what's up, my friend? Thank you very much for being here. Neutral 48.30, man. That is it for Adam. Let's go and check Dot. What the Dot? Did we do Adam completely? Yeah, we did go through it, right? Bear Shepherd. Yes. Let's go to Dot. What the heck is happening with Dot? Dot at $33.56. Who's that dude standing behind me? It's Soka.
Hello.
Terra Mystica's your favorite? Dude, we're playing. What do we play? We played Tokaido. We played Camel Up. We also played Splendor Marvel Edition. I think that's what we played so far. We might play Tiny Epic Galaxies today.
Yep.
Either that or something else. I'm not sure. We're gonna see what games I have that he hasn't played yet. It's good. It's fun. Tabletop games are fun.
Nice.
Like, don't they all have to have like food names?
Yeah.
Like vegetable names? The Saiyans? All Saiyans have vegetable names. Look, Dot, right? First, we had bearish divergence. That's fine. At some point in time, it did trigger, right? We haven't looked at Dot in a while, but that strong bearish divergence did come to fruition, and then we got our action downside. Hit that 20 and bounce. Very nice. That's surely the move that we're probably calling for here. Even though we got a bit more for rally, it's all good. Again, that's why I tell you guys, keep on tracking, keep on checking. And if you believe the market's going to go down on the divergence, just make sure you can, revise your position and take things into your hands, right? I'm inviting him to Vegas. We'll do real table games. Yeah, he's actually flying to Arizona tomorrow.
I already told him I was gonna take his spot
Yeah.
in Vegas.
Yep. I'm super Filipino. Yeah, so yeah, he's like, man, they invited you to Vegas a couple times. If you don't want to go, I'll go take that spot. I was like, yeah, I'll see. Overbought at 71.62, man. Strong bearish divergence, potential for action downside. Not a lot happening here in Dot. Again, strong bearish divergence, but we're still rallying, right? Again, just gotta watch and see how that's gonna go happen. You thought Seamus and I adopted him? No. You gonna be there next weekend? I'm not sure Soka's gonna be free next weekend yet. So you guys are gonna have to coordinate on the Discord, man. I'm still stuck in Mexico. My laptop still hasn't come in. It's stuck in customs, by the way. I already purchased it again. It's not the same model. I had to get a lower graphics card on the same model. It's the exact same laptop with a lesser graphics card. Instead of a 3080, it comes with a 3070 RTX. So it kind of sucks, but they didn't have the other model in, and I really need to get that. I really need to get that laptop in so I can start traveling, man. Otherwise, I'm still bound to this spot Leonel's also saying he's gonna make it. Go to the tables, right? Miss.
Sounds like a good idea, Leonel.
Majid, what's up? Dan to the dollar. Bro, if you do add the State of Crypto, like it says down here, right here it says add the State of Crypto asset, I will definitely check it out, my friend. That's everyone has put the request in, and that's how I keep track on who's requesting what. So do that for me, my friend, and I will definitely check that asset out for you. Right on. Look at this bearish divergence. Strong potential fractional downside. Again, strong bearish divergence on the 4 hour. We are bought at 66.12, but still the market conditions are bullish, right? We came down, hit that 20, look, bounce, hit the 20, bounce. Not too bad, right? Bullish market conditions, bearish indicators might be failing to play out. So look at this strong bearish divergence here as well. There's just a lot of bearish divergence building up, man. Right? And we're seeing it fail to play. Why are we seeing it fail to play? Because the market conditions are bullish, remember. We've stated that plenty of times before. When the market conditions are bullish, bearish indicators fail to play out. That is that. All right. Vegas, you'll be there on 10/14, 10/17. Eat at 6K. All right. HD 5,000. Don't type that, otherwise my wife's not going to let me go. What's wrong with you, my friend? You do know I'm a married man, right? She's going to be like, there's no way you're going to go to Vegas. I saw what that guy typed. Shh, that's on the DL, man. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas.
We're gonna have to delete that comment.
Yeah, we're gonna have to delete that comment from everyone's side. It's good. It's all good, my friends. It's all good. Bible study, right? We are neutral. 54.56, man. Can you look at the Dutch? Sure, man. I will put the Doge, dude. Doge, like that dude, Dr. Degen says. Doge. Why do they want to make it sound so cash? Or cachet? Tell my wife we're going to go to the Bible studies, right? Lies and propaganda. I know, it wasn't me. I did not go to Vegas with them people. Right? I did not go to Vegas with them people. Trust me. Didn't go there. Didn't happen. It's all good. They're all liars. Let's keep rolling. Doge. Where's the Doge at? Here we go. 29.54. Let's go on that day. I'll study at the bottom. Right. Here on the daily, man. Look at this, hidden bullish, getting that pop, hitting the 20, rejecting, right? We don't want to see that. We want to see us get above the 20 and pump more. Nothing bearish here right afterwards, that hidden bullish. But at least it did its job, help us hold the 1618, the 618, and got to the 20. Now we're rejecting. So not super hot for Doge, but it's doing okay. It's doing okay, right? It's recovering a bit between that 618 and that 50% retrace at 34.81 cents. Neutral 54.80. Let's go to the 4. You only want your money. I know. Everyone wants your money always, bro. Isn't that crazy? Look, here we're looking at potential head and shoulders. Obviously, this is head and shoulders didn't play, so let's get rid of that idea. Someone had said, yo, head and shoulders. I said, sure. But it didn't play. Don't look like a head and shoulders anymore, right? Don't look like a upward handle. That's all good. We're just floating here. Bullish divergence, pumping, bearish. Move this down, fails to drop lower than the previous low, thus continuation to the upside. Gotta zoom in here, man. Right, low, higher, high, right? You have more positive momentum coming up higher and higher on the other side. Nothing here that is bearish. So we're stagnating. Maybe in the 1 hour we might have something. We gotta wait until we get there. Low to high, negative 0.0018 negative. I'm looking at the number there, right? 3 zeros and then 18. 4 zeros and then 5. So not even hitting bullish right now. We're still holding on to that 20, rejecting lower areas of value for the second time in a row. Let's get here on the 1 hour chart. Going in Doge for a while, yes. HD 5,000 says he has a list of the places I should stay away from. He's going to show me physically by going into those places and saying, see, this is a place that you should not come into, right? Let's go walk out into the next one. After like 3 hours, let's go walk out into the next one, and I'll keep on showing you the places that you should not come into, right? That's how those tours go. Consolidation here on Doge. Yeah, I mean, we're definitely consolidating into a triangle pattern. Can I please do TA and Dent? Sure, my friend. I can do TA and Dent. No worries. Put that one on the list. Harvey Dent. Lawyer from Suits. Low to high, negative, less negative. Low to high, high to low. Yeah, see, there's nothing bullish or bearish here. All I'm seeing is this move like this, right? Like that. And we can even say from here like that, right? So we can say that we're consolidating into a triangle. Right, you're right, my friend. Consolidation.
Is he lawyer from Suit?
Yeah.
Harvey Dent?
No, what's his name? Harvey.
Two-Face.
Yeah, Harvey Specter. Two-Face is Harvey Dent. You're right. No, the other one's Harvey Specter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it confused with the Harveys.
Got your comics wrong.
I know. I got my comics and my series mixed up. Harvey Dent, Two-Face. That's correct. Now we're gonna go into Dent. Dentist coin. This is a coin. Okay, anyways, yeah, there's consolidation, right? We gotta wait for a break. What you would do here is get a measure move and then see where it goes to. Right, let's keep checking here. Let's
Oh, it looks like preparing for a war is gonna give a trip to Vegas. What? No way.
Sure to join the Discord if you haven't. Got some good insight info maybe in a trip to Vegas. Right on. Let's go then here on the daily, man. Ooh, look at this consolidation between that 50% and 382. Yeah, 50% no, 236 and 382. High to low, positive, high to low, low to high, negative. All right, the first things, right? Hidden bullish, big time hidden bullish. After a large consolidation down sloping pattern. How do we know it's a large consolidation down sloping pattern? Because I say so. Look, it goes like this. The fallen wedge, it broke to the upside, as they tend to do. So we pulled, flagged, now we're breaking to the upside. Very nice. Hopefully we can get continuation. Tightness of the Bollinger Band starting to come in here. And with that, we could be looking for a potential bounce of the 20 and maybe expand the Bollinger Bands to the upside still. The pull that we're getting right now after this consolidation pattern is not as strong. Again, we should be going for a measure move. And that move would be looking like this. Close enough. So we should be hitting that upper part again of the 382, right? That's what we should be going to. There we go. Neutral at 59.01. That is if Bitcoin played ball and the rest of the market keeps on stagnating, or at least trying to stop before they move, right? So, again, good move. Low, lower, low, negative, less negative. There's strong bullish divergence here, right? From here to here. On the 4-hour chart. Yes, low to high, higher. There's nothing here on the movement to the upside that is bearish, right? We're going higher with more positive momentum and higher on the RSI. Just that bullish divergence, getting that pop. Again, starting to consolidate, right? Came down, hit that 20 and bouncing. Neutral at 57.80. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. By the way, guys, if you haven't done it, hit the like, hit the bell. Most important, hit that sub. We're building one of the most awesome crypto communities out there. Make sure you join us. It's fun. Ooh, this means said something here. Try to watch stream tonight, but even when I was freezing. Oh, bro, thank you very much for being here. Oh, jeez, he didn't do it. What the fuck?
Whoa.
That's the second time, bro. What the hell? He didn't. That's insane. I'm waiting for it to play. I'm just waiting for it to play, man.
Nice, Eden.
Jesus,
Where's
man.
the buttons?
It's not coming through. I'm waiting. There we go. You want to press them?
Yes.
All right. It's
Vegas
that,
in the
that,
house.
those two. Push one, then the other one. And then push the other one.
Thank you.
There you go.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Legendary.
And that is
very
awesome. Vegas into his hills,
Nice.
dude. Thank you very much for that. For Wars says
Awesome,
legendary.
Eden.
I know. What's that?
That's awesome, Eden.
I know. It's pretty cool. Eden, thank you very much for that.
Me and Seamus are gonna get
Cheers,
drunk tonight.
man.
And
Cheers.
Marcin. We'll invite him.
All right. Yeah, no worries, my friend. No worries. We'll check out Den, man. It's just consolidating right now. Down slope consolidation, right? Look, going from a high low to a lower low. Warning momentum lower still. So this line, I would just drag it on, right? Because this is gonna be your bottom part of the line, where we might be finding support. Counting to his hills, yo, yeah, for sure, man. He didn't. I don't think he didn't. He's on our Discord. He might be on a Discord that I'm in. He is on a Discord that I'm in, but he's not on the Discord. Epic Eden.
Oh.
Acute dispute. Thank you very much for being here, man. Unity channel. Welcome to the channel, man.
Welcome, acute.
I don't have anything for welcome, so we'll just go with what's up. There we go.
I got another beer. You want something?
Yeah, can you get ice, man? I'm gonna get another whiskey. Another whiskey. What?
Round one?
Not doesn't matter, man. Start looking for. Yo, right. I can't go to Vegas right now, my friend. I wish I could go to Vegas right now, for reals. Trust me when I say that. I really wish I could go to Vegas right now, but I can't. I don't have my laptop in yet. I need to get a laptop in. It's stuck in customs. I'm not sure when I'm gonna get it, but whenever I get it, I'm gonna be a little bit more free. Because if I go to Vegas right now, there's no way I'm gonna be able to stream. And Prepare for War wants us to do a stream from Vegas. That's gonna be amazing. What cryptocurrencies do you cover mostly? I cover whatever you guys request. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance on the daily basis, and then whatever you guys request here. Okay. Let me get that laptop in, man. I need to get that laptop, and I think to go to the US, I need to get COVID test so I can fly over internationally. You're gonna loan me a laptop if that's what it takes. It's supposed to arrive next week. Sometime. Like this is the where it says it's like it's available for customs to basically free the package, and then it tells me here that there's a warning, and then it says it was supposed to be delivered today, so it's stuck, and I gotta wait for that laptop to come in. It says it's gonna get here next week sometime, right? I'm awesome. Thank you very much for being here, man. You're awesome for being here and watching. Yes. Nice. Yeah, I can't wait for it to get here. Had to get one with a lesser graphics card. Instead of getting the 3080, I got a 3070 because the 3080 didn't have a date for it to be delivered. And then the 3070, they have it in stock. And it was the only place they had it in stock. Everywhere else was sold out. Had to wait at least until October. And I really, really want to be mobile because in October I have to go down to Acapulco. There's going to be a mining convention down there. I have to go there for work. So I do want to take my laptop with me and be able to stream, or at least record something so I'm able to put it there. Because the work computer, I can't use it for this, unfortunately. So we'll see. Again, not bad here on that. Right, flagging, consolidating, downsloping consolidation, tends to break to the upside. We'll see what's going to happen here. Let's go back to the corn. Bitcoin, 50,100. Woo, party. It did pump quite a bit, right? Close about 51,000. So we're still trying to hold on to the awesome support at 49,000. Thanks, I appreciate it. Give me a monkey shoulder. Want something? Thanks. Thanks, man. There we are. Thank you. Acapulco Mining Convention, yeah. There is for reals a legit mining convention in Acapulco. I'll show you. There's one. I already got hotel reservation and everything, so I have to be there in October. But this is like real mining, not like legit mining. So like from real live projects that do bring ore from the ground. But yeah, it's fun, man. It's a fun night tonight. We're just gonna chill until whenever, right? Because Soka's here. Is that one of the kids, maybe? So if I put the music out through here so you can hear, it's gonna be I'm gonna be getting a lot of feedback here into the mic, so kind of sucks from that.
Don't need music.
Right. It's fun. Not crypto mining, no. Yeah, not crypto mining. Like legit real life mining, like bringing material from the ground up into the surface. Gold, silver, copper, lead, zinc, ores, iron ore, whatever, coal. Cheers, guys, by the way. It's fun. It's my brother, Soka. He's in here. He's visiting. That's cool. I know, it's cool, man. And he capitalizes too. What? What?
I don't know what to do with my hands.
Are you pulling a tally tonight? Yeah. Yeah, it's fun, dude. We've just been chilling the last couple days. Dance. I don't know what to do with your hands. Dance. Jason Ruff, what's up, my friend? Thank you very much for coming in.
What's up?
I'm just chilling. Look at the corn right now. Look at that balance, man. Look at that balance. Look at how beautiful. We're respecting that support at 49,691. Remember, guys, I told you want to be above there. Tony Yee. Yo. What's up, my friend? Thank you very much for coming in.
What's up?
Tony E.
Ethereum, dude, it's still not breaking. Still not breaking 4,000. I want it to be above 4,000 and close. We have not gonna close. This one just barely got there, man. We would close at 33,984. Ethereum needs to close about 4K and then sustain the next candle for it to become more feasible on the 1 hour at least. And then do the same on the 4 hour and then repeat that on the daily. And then Ethereum is gonna be in a great path to redemption. Remember when I told you guys there's not a lot of friction on this move? Like back here, since we got above this zone, it's 2,891. I told you there's not a lot of friction, and there wasn't. We manufactured this area of resistance, right? That now is becoming a support. But look at that, we just flew through this one here, 3,641. We said there might be something there because we on the 4 hour, it looked as though there was some dip, and that dip we knew it could become a resistance, right? Because we hit this zone here, right, as support, and then hit it here as support as well. I'm assuming here. This is one of my calls for Ethereum. I was probably looking for a movement up, and we did move up here after that move, right? So we hit that area, pop, hit the 20, and then reject it. But if we look here again, all right, support. So that's why I was looking at this area as a potential zone for resistance on the way up. We just didn't get it, right? Let's go to now.
I think you mean 314, Tony?
Did I do Cardano already? You wanted to hit that 214? I'm not sure. Maybe he wants to go in at 214.
Maybe he wants it to go down. I don't know.
The state of crypto, Sol. Yeah, Sol. 314. Yeah, I already covered Cardano, man. I can recap in a second. I think he mistyped it. It's like he drunk dialed that too. It's like I butt dialed it too. Dang it! It's supposed to be a 3.
Down, I'll buy again. So.
Right, so it's going higher, coming in lower here again. Bearishness, potential friction downside on Ethereum, dude. I'm hoping that it holds and pushes through. There's not a lot of friction to hit that all-time high, so at least all-time high closing, right? And I'm really hoping we can go there, man. Back it up. You'll stack more at 214. I know everyone's gonna do that, man. Martin's getting you stressed. All right, you love getting gains. We're ready. All right, close. All right. Right, look, man. Just make sure you have your take profit areas there, and if you end up pulling a trigger, just make sure you have your re-entry targets, right? Why do I say re-entry targets? Because you probably have a read on the market, and what you're doing is you're gonna set up. It's Soka. Soka's in the house. What's gonna happen is you're gonna get to a point where you hit your target, right? So what you should do is you always execute your strategy. So if you're telling yourself you're gonna get out there, make sure you sell, but watch for drops or dips for your next entry. Or if it starts pumping and starts to take off from where it's at, you can always buy back in. You're gonna lose on a little bit of profit percentage-wise, but you're gonna still be doing good in the long term because you're gonna be buying it at a new area and be looking for a new target on an exit. So, dude, someone said amp, sure. And then someone said, he did at me. Yeah, he did at me, so it's all good. Yeah, it's okay. Thing he decided. So, what are we gonna do? All right, so we'll do amp. By the way, Soka gets none of the music. He just gets my voice. Because the music's just coming out through my headset.
You get to listen to the computer fans.
It's all good, man. It's all good. Let's go here, man. Amp. At 5.6. All right, cool. Going back down, breaking below that 382. Getting above the 50 and now losing it after hitting that 20 and failing. All right. Is there anything bullish here? More negative momentum, right? Coming down, more negative momentum. Lower, still nothing bullish, nothing bearish. It's just still consolidating. Neutral at 44.78. We've lost the 50% retrace. We could overtake it for us to get another shot of that 20 and then try to go for that 382, right? Let's see if we have something bullish here on the 4-hour, man. Low, lower, negative, less negative. There is some strong bullish divergence on this move. Lark gang, yeah. Looks at the corn, process fingers. Yeah, that's what I would be doing too. Looking at the corn. Look at the corn, it's tasty. As low possible, positive high to low, neutral at 48.84. I was looking here real quick. Dude, no, hidden bearish. Slightly there, man. Slightly there, right? Still coming from a higher point to a lower point, and here we're coming from a high point, low point. Sorry. Relative here. Low point to a higher point, right? We have that bearishness action downside again, going down, hitting that 20, and holding support so far. Once, twice. It's not bad, but not really good that we're below a resistance. We need to get above that zone. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Bro, something there. What? Hey, do you follow any YouTubers and like to listen to them? I don't. I wish I did. I don't watch any other YouTubers. I've been told that I should watch them because they're competition. You want to know what competition is doing. Soka's gonna snap a picture. Go. So I don't follow other YouTubers. I usually, the reason I started not to follow YouTubers and watch other YouTubers is because I do want to keep a clean view on the market, and I don't want to have my point of view be affected by someone else. Usually I'm pretty good at spotting the patterns and divergences and things like that, and I don't want to be looking at someone else. Yes, while someone else might be looking at something that I'm not, I don't want to be influenced by that and say, yo, there's something here and I didn't look at it. If I didn't look at it or I didn't call it the first time, it's because of some reason. Maybe I missed it, but usually it's because I didn't think it was going to be important for that move, and therefore I don't tend to look at other YouTubers. I do want to try to keep my point of view as clean as possible and free from other influence, right? I don't want to, like, if someone's calling something to the moon because it has a bullish pattern, if I'm not noticing that bullish pattern, I might rather just play with what I'm looking at instead of being swayed to think that might go bullish because someone else is saying it's going to go bullish, right? Not sure if I explain myself with that.
I mean, but you do one.
I don't.
I mean, like, maybe not crypto one.
Yeah, not crypto wise. Yeah, other YouTubers, yes, but not crypto wise. Soka's got it.
Haven't seen a bring back.
Is a what? You mean Ethereum? Ethereum 3XL?
Ethereum.
You wanted to buy Sol at 40. Yeah, FOMO. No FOMO. Yeah, no FOMO, bro. FOMO's your enemy. Neutral 44.96. Look, if you want to buy Sol, I would just say buy whatever you're not afraid of losing, right? You might lose it. Don't be scared. Just put whatever you're willing to lose. It's pumped quite a bit. Neutral at 44.96. Then let's go over to the. That's the one out. That's what we have. Bullishness. Great. And neutral. So potential fraction to the upside. That's it here. Right. Consolidating pattern might break to the upside. Right. What consolidating pattern? This one. Right, 1, 2, 3. Right. It looks as a down sloping triangle. Those usually break down. But in theory, we are coming in from a low point to a lower point. So we could say it's a fallen wedge. It's on that borderline between a fallen wedge and a triangle, right? So just be careful. If it's a triangle, it's going to break down. If it's a fallen wedge, it should pop. I wish I could be more clear, but that movement is not very, very strong here to the downside for us to be able to say, yo, it's a fallen wedge for sure, right?
And that Doge bomb.
Right. When the Doge pump, when they let the Doge out.
Yep. It used to depend on Elon Musk. I don't think it does anymore.
Yeah, who let the Doge out, right? Whenever that happens, the Doge pump. I didn't do Sol. Oh, I'm sorry about that, man. I'll go back and do it.
Assuming
I skipped Sol.
BTC trades sideways for a minute, help us find an alt that should have moved
know.
up more than it has by now.
I didn't even write it down, my friend. Probably called it. It was one of those ones that I skipped over. There's too much going on today.
I'm distracting him on purpose.
Being distracted by Soak, I'm drinking, and Eden's knocking me out with smacking me with some donations, man. What was your favorite thing here? Much for that, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is awesome, dude. Assuming Bitcoin trades sideways for a minute helps us find alt that should have moved up more than it has by now. Yeah, dude, you should be looking at what's not pumped, right? That which hasn't pumped should pump.
You gotta help him find an alt.
I know. Predict the future. What? I don't do predictions. Do I look like I predict the future?
I don't think Elon's tweets have that much power
Yeah, I have
Dodge
like
anymore,
a
though.
fortune ball.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I feel like he's tweeted about Doge and he hasn't really.
Thought
moved
your
that
ROM
much.
was affecting you. No, it was me. I didn't have it there. Let's get Soul here, man. Soul? Not that Soul. Soul oozed. And then someone said that dash. Alright. Right on, dude. So, Solana. $1 to $1, man. Yeah. After he started getting, after Anonymous came out, he basically toned it down. It's like, oh no, they're gonna expose my my apartheid South African heritage. Look at this, strong bearish divergence, potential fraction downside on Sol. I would not be betting against Sol though. It's extremely bullish. It has pumped quite a bit. Right, so bought at 66.19, right? There's a hidden bullish before that rally. To be fair here and give it this due at support, that 20 moving average, which is what we want to see, right? Hidden divergence at supports. It's doing good, right? Jeez, my mouse is like crapping out right now. It's a fairly good mouse, but for some reason, sometimes it just like disconnects and reconnects. Anyways, bullish, pump, strong bearish. We should be moving down. 20 moving average at $143.51. We're gonna have that 786 at 100. Sorry, at the 143. Is that the one? No, it's a 2. There's a 3618. Geez, the 3618 already? Yeah, we're hitting the 3618 at $143. So we are going to try to go. We could be going for that 4618. Where's that 4618? $176.33. That would be the next target to the upside. Yeah, it's been popping up a lot. We started on the 1 hour.
What?
My Bible study pictures in Vegas. All right. Or his Bible study. Yeah. I would not bet against it, but I would also not be going strongly for it. Look, strong bearish divergence here, right? There's something as an investor, even if you're trading, you're investing, right? You're putting money in, you're expecting to get something out. You're maybe not investing long term. If you're hodling, you are investing long term, but there's something that you got to remember, right? And it's the risk to reward ratio. Is there a bigger risk of it crashing here than the reward you're going to get from buying right now? And if you believe there's more risk than there's reward, then don't buy. Strong bearish divergence, potential fraction of downside. We might come down again to 3618. So let's get on that daily. Run forces. I made 80%, 3x on Solana. I need to drop that. Oh. All right. Trading runs gun. All right. Look, going higher, more positive and higher still. Whatever bearish divergence we had, we already talked about this. Got us to move sideways, and then we popped up. Very nice. On that pop, getting above this area. Look at how good it's popped so far. Look at the monthly for it's gonna look insane. Look at Solana the last couple months. 194% last month, 37% this month. Bro, if you look at this, it looks attractive because it's pumped so much. But the fact that it's pumped so much makes it candidate for a drop. Right? How much can it pump? Right? That's a question. How much more can it pump? Would you be doubling? You know, for it to double, it has to go to $300. Can it get there? Probably, but what are the chances of it doubling before it goes to $75, right? That would be a 50% loss. Do I leverage trade? I don't like leverage trading. I sometimes do, but it's very rare. And when I leverage trade, I use very, very little leverage. So I'm not using like 5x or 10x or anything like that. I might be using 2.5, 3, right? Look, when you buy an asset, you can always sell on the way down before it reaches zero and you still make profit. When you're leverage trading, the asset could drop to a certain percentage point and you get liquidated. It means you lost everything. You also potentialize your gains because you're getting an X amount of contracts being traded, which is cool, but I wouldn't. Particularly if you ask me about Sol right now and buying it, I would say I wouldn't leverage trade it. There's a lot of risk for it going down. If I did anything, I would probably buy spot, meaning at market price, hold and see where it goes, and have a real clear exit strategy. But look at what it's doing today, man. Look at what it's doing here today. Look, it came down, hit that 3618, almost spot on, right? That low at $144.01. That 3618 at $143.09. So we're like $1 off target, right? It's nothing in a $149 move. Like not even 1%, not even 1%. But that's a hit, right? We are outside the Bollinger Bands. We know there's stuff that happens when we're outside the Bollinger Bands. We never stay outside of Bollinger for too long, outside of the Bollinger Bands for too long. Look at it, right? Here we stayed out for a couple days, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we just came. Bollinger Bands cut up to us. We moved sideways, pop again, right? So we're extending them here. 1, 2, 3, right? We probably could go sideways. Bollinger Band catches up to us, but all we've done is pump. We have not gotten any good relief. Here we consolidated a bit, came to support and bounced at $70, which is fine. Hit the target that we were looking for. Now we're running again, and yes, it is in price discovery mode, so it's a little bit more tricky to tell where we could retrace to, because even fibs are not going to give us targets. If we fib from the low point to the high point, there's not going to be a target for Solana, right? We go low to high here, right? We don't have a valid retrace to a 236. So if we try to project where we could drop to, it could still be off by a bit. So that's it for Sol. So it's a dash. Let's go check. Where's the RSI on the daily? Oh, overbought at 90.06. It's highly overbought. Dash. There we go. Yeah. I mean, it's extremely bullish. I wouldn't bet against it, but I'm also not going to bet for it. All right. I'm gonna be on the sidelines for Sol and look for a better entry point, right? You always gotta measure your risk and how much reward you're gonna get for that. So I think Sol's at a point where you gotta wait for it to drop before you buy back in and buy at a discount. Right now you're buying high. You're buying at the top of the market. Bigger chance of it dropping than pumping. Very nice move here. Not quite a cup with handle yet, so it's all good. Coming higher, higher, and higher, dude. Low to high, negative, more negative. Dash, we could say it has some bullishness. I'm just gonna drop from here to keep it a little bit cleaner on the charts, but we do have some hidden bullish from this negative momentum to here. And with that, we're getting that bounce, which is good. Above the 20, heading for the 50% retrace. Not quite over it yet. And we are bought at 62.01. So not too bad here on Dash. Nothing bearish. Let's get this on the 4-hour, man. Doesn't matter. What's up, dude? He's my brother, bro. No.
I don't think so, man.
Yeah.
That would not be correct.
Yeah. No way. Bullish divergence, potential fraction of upside, getting a pop. Now we're going low to high. Here, the short-term strong bearish divergence at resistance. Look at it. All right, strong bearish divergence at resistance. That 50% retrace. Potential for a rejection. Watch out for that. All right. Neutral. Sorry, bought at 67.04. Still pointing up. So we might still be getting some action to upside. We're gonna see what's going to happen here. But it doesn't matter. I thought you said you were having internet problems. He said, I'm having internet problems. I'm even trying to watch at 144. I can't. All right. OSU Fever, I got your message. I want to check it out. I'll contact the artist and see if I can get that similar painting or something similar done for you. Right? I'll ask her tomorrow night. Or tomorrow throughout the day. Sorry, not tomorrow night.
What painting is?
No, that one. Yes, that one.
It's hard to point.
I know,
stuff.
I know. That happens to me all the time, dude. It's really weird. Yeah, no worries. Strong bearish divergence, potential fraction outside. So again, possibility for moving down. That means that we might reject the 50% retrace and move back down. If we do pump through, that 50% is going to become a support, which is going to be good. But this 1 hour candle is going to be interesting for this, right? Freezing on 144 graphics. Yeah, I get it, man. I get it. It's tough when your internet's not good. How's your Brookbound Utah trip going, man? I'm kidding. It is going to list in Japan September. Smart contracts released September 12th. Super tempted to go all in, buy the rumors, sell the news. Yeah, but the question is, are you buying the top of the rumors, right? I mean, you can buy. It probably is going to get above $3. People are targeting $4, maybe $7. From what I heard, someone said ADA conventions at $7. It could. I mean, there's a lot of bullishness coming out for it. It just comes down to adoption, right? You've been holding since 2 cents? All right, bro. You're talking about ape the rest of your portfolio. Right. Yeah, you should have bought the ADA rumor last year. I know. There's a guy who comes in here, Steve. Steve Yoshida says he's been here since ADA's around 7 cents. He's our ADA evangelist. He's our in-house ADA evangelist. You talk to him, he'll try to convert you to ADA. He's been saying, yo, you should buy this. I've been saying, no, bro. No, and then it's just fucking nuts. It's crazy. It's crazy. So we'll see. Ethereum killer for sure. I'm not sure if I'm gonna call it an Ethereum killer yet, but it's gonna be good and it's gonna be doing its thing, right? It could compete with Ethereum, but I think Ethereum has a lot of ground right now covered. We're gonna see whenever Ethereum starts to crap out and stall. Maybe ADA could overtake, but for now I'm gonna say Ethereum's still good. Sharing what's in your ledger. Interesting. HD's a stake. All good, man. I also like steak. I love steak. I love eating good steak, man. It's good. So, 10:39. Not too bad. It's been an interesting stream. I had a lot of fun being here. We're going to be calling it quits, sort of, in a couple of minutes. Soka does have to catch an early flight tomorrow. So, what we're going to do is probably going to go play a game, talk a little bit, and then, yeah, go to sleep.
Drink some more.
Drink some more. You get wasted, you're going to miss your flight. All right, you heard him, right? He says if he gets wasted, he's not going to miss his flight. Because if he misses his flight, I'm going to get into shit because I'm the older brother, so I don't want to get into shit. You know how this rolls. If you're an older brother, the older brother gets the blame, right? You got your brother drunk. He didn't make the plane. It wasn't me, dude. He drank. He's like grown up. Right, I'm going to get a lot of shit if he misses it.
You're welcome, Preparing for War.
You post another one?
No? Just, I can post a selfie too.
Oh. He's reposting some.
Oh, nice. Yuma. It's pretty cool, man.
What did he do?
He's from Yuma.
Oh, Preparing for War?
Preparing for War, yeah.
Oh, bro, that's awesome, man. OSG Fever says we gotta come inside for some crypto. We can do the State of Crypto get together, man. At Vegas, maybe. I'm not sure. We'll have to talk about it. It's probably not gonna be this year. It has to be next year. Party hardy. Yeah. Yeah, that's the other picture. Alright, guys, we're going to be calling it a stream for tonight. You used to live in El Centro? Oh, bro, that's very close to Mexicali.
I live in Mexicali, so pretty close.
Yeah. It's pretty freaking wild, man.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, we're going to be calling it a stream for tonight. Thank you for joining us. I had a blast being here.
Was a good stream.
You have house in Mexicali?
Oh,
that's
nice,
awesome, bro.
Man. Pretty cool.
Enjoy the night. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Guys, thanks for joining us. If you enjoy what we do, you should hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, join us on Discord. Links have gone out. Thank you for it's empty, you need to sell it. He might be able to help you sell. I'm not sure. Anyways, what are we gonna do, man? Yeah, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This awesome stream. Thank you all for coming in. Thank you for joining me tonight. Again, remember, all the information that we produce is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. All right, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then,
Literally.
what's that?
Wants to sell for 1 BTC.
You want to sell for 1 Bitcoin? Oh, bro.
You probably could.
You might. I'm not sure, depending on where your house is at. So you got to contact Kenshin on the Discord. Look for Kenshin on the Discord and tag him and say something, and you guys can get together into that and see how you can sell it. Anyways, that's gonna be it, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.
Bye, guys.